flower shopping at the local nursery / garden center. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So I'm here at my local garden center, local nursery, where they have a ton of flowers. So let's go. Let me show you what they have over here near me. As you can see over here, they have some beautiful, colorful flowers over here. And this you have hanging plants and you have regular flower seedlings at the bottom. You can see they're in small containers, and so they have a different variety of flowers, and all of them are blooming right now. You can see just a beautiful background. It sets with such beautiful collection of flowers. So they have different sizes and different prices for them. And this flower or garden nursery is on the 126 in Massachusetts, in the Bellingham area. But it's like I said, it's very nice. You can see these are sunflowers right here. Very nice. All of them are already producing these beautiful flowers that all you just need to do is buy them and just hang them if they're hanging plants, or just put them somewhere nice to decorate the home, outdoor, patio, or whatever area, office, whatever area you want to decorate. You want to at least improve. The colors are really nice and lush. Over here, this is their greenhouse over here, where they have the plants growing up, and you can see they have some that they are working on the sides over there, but you can see the main ones in the middle. And then let's go out over here and check the front of the section over here. You can see this is a section right here. You have some beautiful colors, different colors, variation in terms of the plant that they have. Let's go up here. Same thing, the hanging plants, or the ones that are down, that seedlings are also, flowers are also coming out to look nice and beautiful. So definitely check it out if you are close in the Milford, Massachusetts, or Bellingham area. You might be able to stop by and check it out. I always advise you guys to shop your local, support your local shops, nurseries, and local companies. I will show some of the names. I know in one of the last videos with flower or plant videos, you guys wanted me to show the names. It's not going to be possible to show all the names, but I'll try to show the ones that are easily visible, so that you guys can see the names in case you're looking for similar plants in your area. Some of them, you can't really find the tags or the names because either they're on top or they are covered by the flowers. So I'll try to show you guys what I can, and then the rest just have to go with me here. So you can see this other ones over here, even though they're tiny plants, they are already flowering already, and they look so beautiful. The colors so bright. Sunflower over here, and over here you have the same thing. You have some nice flower in a big container over here. You can see the cars go by on the road, and then over here you have another similar collection of flowers, different colors, and you can see the prices right here. Prices are not too bad, because most of the prices for these are the ones for the big containers that are really ready to just decorate your home, office, or any location that you intend to use it for. Let me know in the comments below if you shop your local nurseries, and what do you like most about local nurseries where you shop. And also let me know in the comments below where your area or the town or area where you are, so that way at least we have an idea of where you shop and some of the areas or benefits of the stuff that the areas where you shop. Okay, if you like the video so far, smash the like button. If you're not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video, share the video. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. So as you can see over here, these are big containers of flowers, nice and really flush, covering the whole container. Beautiful decor, especially for the front yard or balcony or some nice open space. So they have a good selection of big flowers like these, even though the variety in terms of the colors are not too much, but each one has one main each one of the containers has one main color, which is not bad. But like I said, the colors are really bright and really vibrant. So hopefully something that helps you out. Check it out. Check your local, like I said, your local nurseries. They might be able to get some good stuff like these over there. So you can see the smaller ones that they have on the tables are the so like I said, they have a good selection of flowers, and they have a good selection of plants, planting pots and stuff like that, or even seedlings that you can transplant into bigger containers or into your garden, and you'll be able to get a good garden going this summer and even years to come, especially the perennials that are here that will come back next year. So you can see some of them that they have over here. They still have them on the shelves, and they're selling it from the shelves. They also have some vegetables. I'll show you guys some of them later on. But everything else, it looks really, really nice and colorful. These are tropical plants right here. And as you said, velvet red. So that's good color right there. If you haven't seen, check out my video where I plant bulbs, where you can plant bulbs and other flowers, and be able to get your garden going early, so that way by spring like this, at the time of the year, you have flowers like these in your garden. I'll also see if I can put the link to some of these. If you can get some of these, you might be able to get some of these online. I'll see if we can put a link to some of them online. Also check the links that I have for other nice deals going on. You can see these are mint-like flowers, and that's the name of this one. Okay, so they have, like I said, they have some. Check your local area. They might not have your local nursery might not have the same things. Might have more or might have less. But at least if you're able to check them, you might be able to see what they have, and you might be able to get some good deals on flowers and other plants that you can plant. These are lemongrass. These are different types of flowers that are ready to be planted in your garden. Let me know in the comments below if you like videos like these, nurseries and garden center videos like this. Let me know in the comments below. We still have quite a few different nurseries and garden centers around me here, where I can show you guys what they have and how they have their setup and the type of flowers and plants that they have. Let me know in the comments below. If a lot of people comment below more nurseries, then I'll make more nursery videos for those other areas or those other nurseries that I have not done so yet. So here they have some tomato plants over here. These are big tomato plants. Some of them are already have tomato fruits on them. You can see like this one. So they have a few herbs and a few vegetables mixed in. Most of the vegetables they had earlier sold out because most people planted their vegetables already, so they sold a lot of the herbs and vegetables that they had before. Now they just have mostly flowers and a few veggies. So you can see the empty trays that we just passed, and they have different variety of flowers coming in now for next at least month or two. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. If you like the video, share the video. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.